Stronghold styling paste. Now this is a firm hold with a matte finish, and it's a really easy pliable cream. What I love about this product, you just go through, you work it into your hands, and it's soft and creamy. It's easy to apply. You can work it through. Now you can apply this to wet, damp, or dry hair. You go through and just work it in. I'm going to tell you about some of the key ingredients in this product. It has beeswax, which provides hold and protection. Castor seed oil, which is a mix of vitamin E, amino acids, and omega-6 to condition the hair. The PVPs provide the hold and the control them after. And it's actually gluten-free. As you can see, it's easy to work through. You can comb it through, the comb goes straight through. Gives me the long-lasting hold them after all day. And it just gives me that nice structure in the hair. As you can see, nice and sharp, beautiful. Stronghold styling paste.